Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 20 genius new tools of 2026 that every professional and DIY enthusiast must have. From innovative gadgets to must-have workshop essentials, these tools will transform the way you work, making projects faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. Let's check them out. Jack WS-2 4LPJ. The Kangaroo. Jack WS-24LPJ by ARI Hetra is a heavy-duty hydraulic jack built for industrial use, not a security camera. It offers a lifting capacity of 12,000 pounds at the bracket and 24,000 pounds at the saddle, with dual lifting points for versatility. Its adjustable bracket accommodates various vehicles, while the compact, durable design allows easy movement in tight spaces. Powered by a high-capacity hydraulic system, it's ideal for forklift maintenance, construction machinery servicing, and general industrial lifting tasks requiring precision and strength. Milling machine, the RIDGID flex shaft. KM-1004. Milling machine is a versatile, hybrid-powered, drain cleaning tool ideal for residential and commercial projects. It operates on an 18-volt battery or corded power, featuring a brushless motor with speeds from 1,000 to 2,000 revolutions per minute. The tool handles 1 1/4 inch to 4 inch pipes, uses dead core cables, and includes I-clutch technology to prevent breakage. Smart features like a digital cable counter, RIDGID Link app connectivity, and safety sensors enhance precision and reliability. Its ergonomic design, portability, and field serviceable components make it perfect for demanding jobs. Rechargeable, slim profile. LED pocket flashlight. The Klein tools. Rechargeable slim profile LED pocket flashlight, model 56453, is a compact, durable light designed for tradespeople. It offers 3 modes: high, 275 lumens, low, 80 lumens, and strobe, projecting up to 55 meters. Its slim rectangular body prevents rolling, while a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery and micro USB charging with tri-color indicator ensure convenience. Rugged, IP54 rated construction, a stainless steel pocket clip with magnet, and a hat clip feature provide hands-free versatility. Smart thermal management and memory mode enhance safety and usability. SOLA METEC digital tape measure. The SOLA METEC digital tape measure and laser distance meter is a versatile hybrid tool designed for precision and convenience. It combines a 5-meter digital tape with a 20-meter laser distance meter, ideal for both small interior tasks and larger spaces. Features include dual measurement modes, selectable reference points, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced calculations for length, area, and volume. Rugged and ergonomic, it has an illuminated display, IP54 dust and splash resistance, permanent tape break, and stores up to 50 measurements for professional use. SOLA Cable Stripper PV Strip Pro. The JOKARI PV Strip Pro, item number 30199, is a professional solar cable stripper designed for precise and efficient PV cable work. It features a wide cross-section range and a 4-chamber system for fast, accurate size allocation. An integrated, millimeter-precise length stop ensures consistent strips, while a longitudinal cutting blade handles lengthwise cuts. Titanium nitride coated blades boost durability, and its lightweight ergonomic design suits both hands. Ideal for standard PV, double shielded, and halogen-free cables, it excels in field and roof installations. Torque-controlled impact. Wrench. The JOHNSWELL 20-volt digital torque-controlled impact wrench TCW115 is designed for precise fastening in automotive and assembly applications. Featuring smart digital torque control with 4+1 preset levels. It automatically stops at the target torque to prevent over-tightening. Its 20-volt brushless motor delivers up to 365 Newton meters with plus or minus 8% accuracy. LED indicators show operation status, errors, or battery level. Ergonomically designed with a soft lever handle, it offers one-touch forward/reverse control and a 1/2 inch square drive for versatile, reliable use. Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit. The Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit ES52LXR11 is a versatile battery-powered pruning solution designed for utility line clearance and safe branch trimming. With a 2-inch cutting capacity and 6-ton cutting force, it delivers up to 80 cuts per charge. The tool features automatic blade retraction, jam-resistant jaws, and lightweight portability. Wireless Bluetooth control and hot stick compatibility extend reach up to 30 feet. The kit includes the pruner, remote, 218-volt batteries, charger, and hot stick adapter for flexible field use. SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa Nails. The SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa nails are engineered for unmatched strength and reliability when fixing into very hard concrete and steel with SPIT gas nailers. Designed for extreme conditions, C20/25 to C50/60, they feature an extended conical tip and reinforced shank for maximum bonding and pull-out resistance. Built from hardened carbon steel, greater than or equal to 56 HRC, and electro-galvanized for corrosion protection, these nails reduce misfires and rework, improving productivity and lowering fatigue. Compatible with all Pulsa 27, 40 and 65 models, they come in convenient collated strips for fast, continuous operation. Drainfast ProCut. The Drainfast ProCut is a power tool operated pipe cutting and chamfering tool designed for underground drainage work, offering fast, safe and accurate results. It combines cutting and chamfering in one quick step using a cordless drill to reduce manual effort. The prototype can cut and chamfer in under 24 seconds, with the final version expected to do it in under 15. It can be used standalone or mounted on the Drainfast SiteStack workstation for ergonomic consistent cuts that reduce waste and damage. Aardwolf Seam Setters. Aardwolf seam setters are essential tools for stone and countertop fabrication, designed to precisely align large, non-porous slabs both horizontally and vertically for tight flush seams. Using strong suction cups and either manual ratcheting or battery-powered vacuum pumps, they hold material securely while adjustments are made. Models range from the manual ratchet seam setter to the battery-powered Boss and electric EOSS, each offering durable construction, adjustable leveling knobs, and reliable vacuum sealing for professional installation. HMS 3-arm Tyre Ease. The HMS 3-arm Tyre Ease is an ergonomic support tool designed to reduce strain during tyre changing on large vehicles. Using an articulating arm and specialised head, it supports heavy wheel assemblies and impact tools, making them feel weightless. This improves precision and reduces operator fatigue and injury risk. The system also enhances safety by keeping hands away from pinch zones, reducing vibration exposure, and preventing drop tools. Durable and versatile, it adapts to various rim sizes and demanding industrial environments. Total Rapid Cross, wrench THTRCW40231. The Total Rapid Cross, wrench THTRCW40231, is a heavy-duty 16-inch tool made from durable chrome vanadium steel, ideal for fast and efficient tyre changes. Its cross-shaped design delivers high leverage and torque, making it easier to loosen stubborn lug nuts. The chrome-plated finish resists rust and corrosion, while the ergonomic anti-slip grip reduces hand fatigue. It includes 4 integrated sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm, and comes with a convenient leather pouch for storage and portability. Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper. The Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper, Model 09190, is a game changer for surface prep, capturing up to 99% of paint chips, dust, and debris directly into a wet/dry vacuum while scraping. Its 2.5-inch reversible carbide blade is durable and easy to replace, while the ergonomic handle keeps your knuckles safe. A removable pull knob doubles as a hammer head for setting popped nails, and the included hose adapter fits most vacuum sizes for cleaner, faster work. Marcrist RDC45 Mortar Router Dust Guard. The Marcrist RDC45 Mortar Router Dust Guard is a robust chromium-plated steel attachment for angle grinders that enables dust-free, safe and precise mortar routing. When connected to a vacuum extraction unit, it captures almost all dust at the source, effectively controlling hazardous silica exposure. It features a precision depth adjustment and an integrated guide to protect surrounding bricks during joint raking. Compatible with most 115mm and 125mm grinders, it includes multiple adapter rings and fully encases the router pin for enhanced safety. BARWALT Ultra Grouting System Starter Kit. The BARWALT Ultra Grouting System Starter Kit is a powerful, time-saving solution that reduces grouting and cleanup time by up to 50%. Its large bucket and built-in rollers automatically wring out the sponge, eliminating manual squeezing. The raised grate keeps water cleaner longer, while slitted sponges pick up more grout for fewer passes. This system helps tool joints and prevent haze for a professional finish. With a cushioned handle and caster-equipped bucket, it's comfortable and easy to move around any job site. YATO 18 volts YT-82604 Concrete Vibrator. The YATO 18 volt YT-82604 Concrete Vibrator is a cordless, lightweight depth vibrator built for efficient concrete compaction in small pores and formworks. Powered by an 18 volt Li-ion battery, sold separately, it delivers 12,500 oscillations per minute and 3,100 revolutions per minute to remove air pockets and ensure a solid, smooth finish. The flexible 1.2 meter shaft and 25mm poker reach various depths with ease, while the durable construction and 3 kg weight reduce operator fatigue and improve job site mobility. Dewalt DCGG 570B 18V Cordless Grease Gun. The Dewalt DCGG 570B 18V Cordless Grease Gun delivers up to £9,000 per square inch for clearing clogged fittings and features a high volume pump with a flow rate of 5.0 ounces per minute for fast grease application. This bare tool model requires a separate battery and charger. It includes a 42-inch flexible hose for hard to reach areas, an integrated LED light, and a variable speed trigger for precise control. The tool also offers an anti-debris filter, air bleeder valve, and no-mar foot design for added durability and convenience. Bihui Heavy Duty Manual Tile Cutter. The Bihui TCP1200 Heavy Duty Manual Tile Cutter is a robust single-rail cutting system built for precise straight and angled cuts on ceramic and porcelain tiles up to 1,200mm long and 20mm thick. It features a powerful magnetic braking device delivering up to 1,000 kilograms of braking force for clean snaps after scoring. With a green laser guide, smooth ball bearing scoring head and double layer aluminum base, it ensures accuracy and durability. Portable with caster wheels, a carry handle and extension legs, it supports large tiles and offers ergonomic operation. WORKPRO 12 in 1 Torx screwdriver set. The WORKPRO 12 in 1. Torx screwdriver set is a precision repair kit built for small electronics and appliances. It includes 6 precision Torx and security Torx screwdrivers, T3 to T10H, with strong magnetic tips, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel shanks, and ergonomic non-slip handles for comfort and torque. The kit also comes with anti-static tweezers, pry bars, a spudger, and a magnetizer/demagnetizer, all stored in a compact case for easy organisation and portability. Dial Type 5. A wire. Stripper M. A wire stripper MV. A4A is a must-have tool for electricians, designed to quickly and safely strip VA and eco-electric wires with precise control. Featuring a dial-adjustable depth setting 1 to 5, it ensures clean stripping without damaging the core wire. Compatible with 1.6mm, 2.0mm, and 2.5mm cables in 2 and 3 core formats. It reduces stripping force by about 30% for less hand fatigue. The precision blades and replaceable design ensure long-lasting performance, while built-in gauges and a compact 180mm body make it convenient and reliable on any job.